Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am having a really good time. There are my glasses. This is a 16 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas I'm going to be taking a chance with. And I think what I'm going to do is another zebra pour with my leftover paint from the last one, but I want to do it in a different way to begin with, by spreading some paint all over my canvas and seeing what happens when I tilt it, assuming that I can tilt it. Oh, that was painty. Okay, never mind. I need more paint, obviously. I'm going to let that go down over the side and cover. And then I'm going to add some more paint right there. So I wasn't sure I was going to do another black and gold and white, but I liked it so much that I'm okay with it, except for that dangly thing on my paint container. I don't really want to spread this with the spatula much, just based on the fact that I think a heavy flow of paint will be helpful to me. It occurs to me that I want some of that paint to go down over the side using an edge catcher, so it's okay if I get it very close to the edge and let it go over. I think that's not big enough. Let's use what I know to be a good tool, which is the OXO Omelette Turning Spatula. Best paint spreading tool around. And I'm just going to hit that side, because it's gallery wrapped, really fast. And then I'm going to be sorry because I'm going to want to hang on to it while I tip. But at least I'll have one covered, so that's something. This is, my black paint is an Artist Loft and Walmart semi-gloss latex paint combination. And the white is the same combination, and they all have my same ingredients. My recipe is under the video. My paint pouring recipe is, generally speaking, oh god, don't ask me right now. You'll read it, you'll see. I'm too focused on trying to get what I'm done. But if you look under Show More under the video, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Teespring clothing, all over print t-shirts and leggings, and my paint pouring recipe. See, I'm obsessive compulsive. I'm going around the corner, and I wasn't planning on doing that. I have some gold on my tile, and I want it. And I can have it. Can I have it? How can I have it? I can put it right on the edge catcher, and then I can take all that paint right off my edge catcher already, along with that lump of something or other, and I can put it right in there and right here. Alright, so I'm going to wipe off this spatula. I am going to pull forward my cups of leftover paint. This one had really small drops of black and white, every other layer, about 60 of them, and that's where I'm going to start right now. And if it's gray, that's okay with me, because it needs to be used. I'm not going to waste it, and it's a place to start. Maybe less the zebra pour that I expected and more something else. I'm going to just put some more white in there. And I will be tilting in a moment. I don't have to tilt. I like to tilt. I don't have to tilt because there's GAC 800 in all of my paint mixtures. I'm going to bring what? I've got dog food bags. And basically at this point I'm trying to spread my traveling rings out and make some cells by paints combining, and probably also, if I'm lucky, cover the areas that weren't covered when I started this. I'm trying to pay attention to where things are going, and I will use my other paint. And if I happen to drip over the sides, all the better. So I've just about covered every bit of paint-free canvas, and I see that thing right there, and I have a pair of tweezers. Do I still see it? Oh, did you melt in? All right, I'll just tip again and maybe I'll see it. Something's in there. I know something's in there. Yes, gotcha. Ha. All right, so that's pretty cool, and I'm loving that. That's a good start. I'm just going to hit that over the side. I've got some great stuff melting over the edges, dripping down, and I'm going to go ahead and see what's in my cups. I dropped my other edge, well, they're not edge catchers, they're dog food bags. So I'm going to, where am I going to start? I don't know, but I love putting that gold in there. If I do not have enough white in this mix, I'm going to figure something out. Maybe I'll just settle, because this is really a lot of fun. The dribbling, the ribbon dribbles, really a lot of fun. And I could use some straight white too. I didn't do that before. Where is my straight white? There it is. I do because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Ooh, that's cool. I can make little stripey things. You know what? I've got black. I can do the same thing right here. Some of it will get lost, but not all of it. I've got, this was my original cup. I want to put my paint in there. I'm going to put some more white in here and see if I can use some of my newly minted mixed colors. I think the white will be good in there. And I'm going to have to go back to tilting. For some reason this is reminding me of when I do my shovel pours. I have playlists, by the way. I have over 1,200 videos, so if you guys are interested in binging, the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands is how long people watch my videos for. So if you want to be of assistance to me, watch some videos. There's a lot of good video on my 1,200. Maybe not every one of them is awesome, but a lot of them are, and I'm told I'm entertaining. So I'm still going to tip, and I've got some edges to cover. And I want to make sure I stop soon enough so that I have some definition, but I haven't like monumentally overfilled my space. That's cool. That went right over the side really nicely. Oh, I don't mind that. Well, I've got all this paint, and what I'm going to do, I think, is use it on the edge. I'm just going to let it fall down, because I've been doing the bloom technique, and I'm going to do some more today, I think. And what I'm finding is that if I take paint and put it on my spatula and then just sort of kiss it up against the edge of a canvas, especially one of these wide ones, that I'm fortunate that the paint will sort of allow itself to stick. Well, I could blow into that too. I could blow into that. I could use a skewer. Just trail a few things off. I can add a few spirals if I want. In the black. Oh, that's neat. So it's not really the same as the zebra one, but that's okay too, because I'm having a really good time with it. It's like discovering a new country. At least it is for me. Yeah, that's just the bomb. I think I still want some more stuff in there though. Oh, you know what? And I can use this paint right here. I can cheat. I can let that relax right over the side. And then my edges of my gallery wrapped 2-inch wide canvas will be covered very nicely, most of them. And I can take this and make some more cool shapes. I don't know how far I want to tip this. I think I'm inclined to just torch. Maybe I'll check out the white situation situation. I'm getting a slur. Well, maybe some dots. Maybe not. Maybe a few spirals, just because I can. What else? What else? What else? What else? I'm not sure anything else. I kind of think a little tiny bit more here. Just back and forth. Creating some areas. Not leading any strings. Alright, that might have been one line too many, or just the beginning of a whole new set. I think it's time to quit. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying thank you guys for all the wonderful contributions you've given me to keep me painting all this time while YouTube is a debacle in my life. I appreciate their generosity of sharing their time with me. Yes, I did. I just did that. And I like it better. And I might do it again. Chances are good. Oh, I have another book on the Amazon link called Unlimited Possibilities. This is bugging me in here. I want black. There. There, she said. Never sure there was exactly what was going to happen. A few dots. I should have kept tipping. I got some very heavy paint. Fortunately, the GAC 800 really does work very well. If you guys want to help me out, watch the videos longer. It's the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands. I want to do it. Because I can. Yeah, I don't mind that. I love you guys. There's 85,650 of you today. And what do I say? Thank you. I'm happy you're here. Very. I wish you were all here. Only a couple hundred people at a time are ever watching me. For some unknown reason. Please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate those. And they make me happy. Which reminds me, your comments make me happy. Thank you for keeping my morale boosted. Well, things are very, very interesting here. And don't seem right at all. I love you guys. Probably said that. I know I like saying it to you. I am just sort of having a good time leaving marks in my paint. It's fun to find out what dragging the skewer along will do, and that's pretty cool. I love those marks. So let's just do it again. Because I can. So what did I not tell you? I have Teespring clothing underneath the video. I've still got one more thing that's bugging me. Can't tip it back and think you're going to get what you want. There, I'm much happier with that. I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I will be looking at my edges to make sure I'm covered after you're gone, as opposed to what I'm doing right now, which is of course not that. Alright, time to torch. I got 1:56. Thank you guys for binge watching the videos. Those of you who have, you did help me for a while. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. Thank you again for the contributions. Thank you again for the comments you leave me. Really appreciate those. I keep seeing things that I want to twirl, and it's really hard to stop once you start. And I love the texture. It's just, that's just fun. That's just so much fun. And I trust that GAC 800 by Golden really does work very well. And every time I see something new, I just want to play some more. going to run out of time, but that's okay because I told you about the Facebook groups before, but I'll tell you again. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors is for people who might want to see the YouTube artworks that I have edited, both wet and dry. I haven't finished by any stretch, so don't expect them all to be there. If you're interested in purchasing any artwork, I do sell my artwork. You can find the email address to contact me at underneath the video. You can also use that email address if you have a question about maybe taking a lesson at the house in Spring Hill. This is fun and funky. I might have to call it fun and funky. The other painting I did, the zebra domination I did was a lot less grays, but I had the paint and I wasn't going to waste it. So I'm happy to do what I've done. And like I said, I'm going to check. Let me see. I need a new sheath for my cheat sheet. It's sealed up. Everything's stuck inside of it. It got painted shut. All right. I think, playlist. There's 1,200 videos. So if you guys want to binge, you can find on the created playlists. Look for all playlists. Look for created playlists. Look for 11 lists by the 100, and then look for like 13 other lists by the genre, and you can entertain yourself infinitesimally. I seem to be distracting quite a few people who are in the hospital. Thankfully, very happily that I can help you guys out. So you guys hang in there. Please watch the videos longer. I'm only getting a couple hundred views for most of them. I love you guys. I will see you anon. I got to get busy covering these sides right now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I hope you decide to buy a painting if you win the lottery. Maybe a whole bunch of them. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Oh, check the community board or the Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for tomorrow's videos. I usually post them the night before and sometimes the day before. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Zoom in. Cool. I love this new series. Bye now. See ya.